Yeah, I'm carrying 3 stones. I'm going to kill 3 birds with 3 stones. Not 1 stone, killing 3 birds. Yes, I'm in Obama Community Secondary School. You see the secondary school? Like the forest of no return. Look at the forest. This is supposed to be the dining, the cafeteria. Yes, this is where the deputy governor comes from. And if you are walking, I will show you the hostel. Let's just be going. Let's just be going. I'll show you the hostel. I don't want snake to bite me, you know. I'm afraid of snake. I can jump into the water and catch some fishes, and people cannot soak my ass because I'm gentleman of his own. I'm gentleman of his own. I can jump into the water and catch some fishes, but people cannot soak my ass. But snake, not be snake that has released. You see, this is the deputy governor's place. That's the hostel. You see the hostel? Even the grass are taking it away. The students are not here. Look at the hostel. Oh. This is Wike River State. Wike. You see? Wike River State. This is where the deputy governor comes from. Oh. Dr. Epalebo Bamigo Hare. Everything of everything. She was chief medical officer of River State, permanent secretary, head of service, secretary to government, and now deputy governor. What has she not become? Look at how the way Wike is messing her up. You see it? This is a school. Go to Rumo Kutao, go to the school in his place. This is the school of his deputy governor. I've been talking about this, so they are just renovating one block. You can show them the block. Just the administrative block. That's why they are renovating. Look at the hostel. It's a forest of no return. Don't go there. Oh. Snakes are there. Oh. Our croissant Joe me. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. Crocodiles. Sibiri. Seki. I think I go to Joe me. Don't ever go there. This is Wike River State. But I'll finish about Wike River State now. I want to talk about Army. Army don't become doctor. Now this kind of school then they come. I'm in a doctor now. I never see this kind of doctor where Army come become. Army go to our school to immunize people. Not be immunization. Yes, that's what they do. They go to immunize people. So these APC people are wonderful. They are so evil. They are monsters. That even if Buhari send people to rape their mother, they will hate him. Even if Buhari send people to kill their father, they will say, hey, Shey Baba, Shey Baba, Shey Baba. They will say that too. If Buhari send people to kill their father, rape their mother. It's a terrible thing. What is Army's business? Why should Army go to school to be doing what? Immunization. Now they say they are sharing this thing. Does the Army have any right under a federal system of government? An army that belongs to all Nigerians without recourse to the state government, without recourse to due process, to the state government, take permission from the state ministry of health, take permission from the state ministry of education, take permission from the primary schools board, and go to the school. If their intentions were right, but their intentions are not right. Why are they not doing it in Lagos? Why are they not doing it in Sokoto? Why us? Are we the people who need helpers? All the Guru camp in his place, all the Kuturu people, the leprosy people in Daura, in Sokoto, Kuturu, Kuturu. He has not gone to immunize them. All the people that are working at moving like this, he has not going to immunize them. It is we. Buhari, you will never succeed. To kill our people. We know you, we know your intention. Let army stay their place. We don't want any immunization, no. I stay your place, so we can see her work. There's never been a governor like in Rivers State, the worst of all governors, the most tribalistic governors in all of Rivers State. There is no difference between you and Buhari. If we are talking about Buhari, then you are Buhari deputy. Look at your work. Look at how you turn our school to beautiful schools built during the time of Lekot, a non-indigenous. And this is the time of your deputy governor. Even the road to our house was constructed by NDDC. The commissioner of NDDC is an APC man from this same town. You know, it makes shame catch you small. 2019, they come home. Now one vote now you get. Wike, yes or Wike, now one vote you get. Come do this school now. Do a finish. Nobody say you go do one block. See one block where you won't come do. Because I don't shout tire. I don't talk tire. 419 governor, come and do your work. Thank you.
Yeah, my people. I greet you people. I greet you, my people. As for we need to make math. We need to make math. Our own life. We show our own life and direct. So this thing don't pain me. They say it don't pain me too much. They say I say make I come out, can't talk am. Because na me, the Archman, we fear nobody. We keep on saying the truth. Anything will go come out, make you come out. So why I make this video is to know why our people. Do you still want to sell your conscience? Do you still want to sell your conscience? Going to vote in 18th of November. So what I'm urging my people, those that are in diaspora, those people waiting for outside the country, make them wait outside the country. We be say their brothers in their Anambra. We be say them from Anambra. We be say them they live any of their relation they live for Anambra. I beg, make them call them for phone. Make them call them for phone. Tell them say 18th of November. Say make nobody come out. Make everybody sit at home. Me, I go sit at home. I no go anywhere. Make everybody just sit at home. Make nobody come out. Make we stay. They don't plan their strategy where they go use do or something. They don't plan how they go use executors. They don't plan how they go use kill us. They don't plan how they go use do sorts of atrocities to us. So you better make we sit at home. You don't tell what they vote. We never vote get anything. We don't vote so we don't tire. So I dey urge my people, make nobody come out. They don't carry Operation Python dance come. Operation Python dance don't come kill many people for Aba. Kill many people. They don't carry Operation Python dance again too come. This one now na medication na where they carry and enter. They use and they inject our pikin, they make them they die. I beg, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen, my brothers? Now the time when they kill us, now where these people then go hear our voice. So it's better this one now. Moku sit at home. Oh. Everybody should sit at home. Onya obla no. Onya potariro. 18th of November. Abone, if you know say you don't know what you go do, you better make you go do it. Make you go sleep. Pray. If you pray, give Chukwu Abiyama. Chukwu Abiyama go hear your prayer that day. Just pray. Anything will be your problem. Just handle and give Chukwu Abiyama. Chukwu Abiyama go hear you. God in heaven go hear your prayer that day, 18th of November. I'm urging you people, if you follow me pray that day, God go hear your prayer. So make everybody there at home. 16th, 17th, go buy what you go eat. 18th, sit at home. Just lock your door, no come out. Because this thing when they plan now, na for their head and na for their head it go land. If you sit at home, na for their head it go land. All of them now where they say make we go vote, their children dey outside country o. Their children dey outside country. They know of their children dey for this country o. Their children dey school outside country. If they sick, their children outside country, then they give them medication. Now they don't carry another medication. They give army. No be say they give them medical people o. No be say they give a nurse or they give a midwife make them come inject our children. This one na army na him wey dem carry. No be say they give those army another name. Na that Operation Python dance too wey kill our brothers for Aba. na him wey dem come carry the same thing wey go still kill us carry am give dem o, carry am give dem again. So I dey urge my people, make everybody sit at home, nobody make dem no come out, abeg. People wey dey diaspora, make una call una people for phone, tell dem say make dem no go out, make dem just stay at home that particular day, gangan. Nobody go kill you. No, you know, if you sit at home, nobody go kill you. Nobody go come knock for your door. Just sit at home. Call your people them. Those wey dey inside village, our mama them wey dey inside village, our papa them, our aunties them wey be say they no get means for social media, wey be say they no get means for any other thing. Just call them for phone, tell them, share this message, give them, so that all of them go sit at home. So that nobody go come out. Moku try this one first. Moku try this first, sit at home. Moku know with this one now whether you go benefit something on it or you no go benefit. I beg my people. Now they don't. Who you even want vote to give? Now this drunkard, when in the car, will be recent governor. Now where you go carry your vote go give? We don't kill us. We be say they don't kill us for Head Bridge. They don't kill us for Piweka. They don't kill us for Mpo. They don't kill us for Kulobia. They kill us every day, even for Oka. Eh? Now you want go carry your vote give? Eh, my brothers them, I beg Moku shine our eye. Everybody wake up, go shine your eye. Now me be the person. If you see my mama Ozioma, tell her say Ozioma make she no vote to Ozioma for Anambra election. Ozioma, if you see my papa Ozioma, you tell her say Ozioma make them no vote to Ozioma for Anambra election. If you see my brothers Ozioma, Zerem ha Ozioma make them no vote to Ozioma for Anambra election. Ozioma, I dey urge my people, Moku boycott this election. If we boycott this election, e get wetin I promise everybody wey dey watch me, wey go share this message. I know say if I talk and finish, dem go dey curse me. They already dey curse me for the music wey me play. Now I know say dem go still curse me, but I know say because you got to say the truth and shame the devil. You shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. That is what the Bible says. So my brothers dem, make everybody do it, sit at home. I promise una say, see this nonsense now. This is my voter's card. This is my voter's card. You see am? This is my voter's card. This is my international passport. My ECOWAS international passport. You see am? You see am? I promise una say, if you try boycott this election, this is my international passport. This is my international passport. This is it. If you boycott this election, I go burn this too. I go burn this international passport. I go burn this international passport. I go burn this voter's card. This is what I'm promising you people, my people. This is what I'm promising you guys. If we boycott this election, if Anambra State election is being boycotted by us, by sitting at home, everybody staying at home, these two, I will burn it and I will show you in the video. I will burn it, carry and come for video, show everybody, say I don't burn them. I go to burn them, the video them. So I make people see, you know, say, this thing now, it don't mean anything to me. It don't mean anything to me, cha-cha. You know me. So Moku boycott am. Nothing go happen. Moku just sit at home. Make nobody come out. Moku just relax. They eat our offense salad. They pray. If you know say you no get money where you go use buy something, where you go use cook, offense salad or anything, just stay at home. You hear me, ba? Stay at home. Pray. Go. If you want go church, you go church. If you want go mosque, if you want go synagogue, you go. Go pray. Make God answer your prayer. Make God hear us. Make God hear our cry. They don't they kill us. You don't tell me they don't they kill us. Say this killing done too much. Say more first do this one first. More do this one. Make our suffering stop. See now because of how things hard for this country. Now way person carry gun come collect my phone from me. This thing they vex me anytime I remember say person use gun collect my phone from me. It vex me. They say they go give us security. Then they go do this one, they go do this one. The security there. We can't security there. Security there where person carry gun. One kill me, collect my phone from me for evening, no. For evening. You go say you want you go do na second tenor say you na that time you go do something. Which time second tenor? My people, I bet more shine our eye, you. If you get this message, you share and give another person. Make them share, they give, so that our people go hear this, so our people go do wetin. Tell the people where they are at home, make them do wetin. 18th of November, Nobody should go out. Only Obala no na beer. 18th of November. Nobody should go out. Everybody should sit at home. Let's enjoy our open salad. Thank you. Share this video. If you want curse me, you curse me. If you want comment, you comment. If you want like, you like. But one thing I know say, I will keep on saying the truth and nothing will stop me. Thank you very much, my people. Goodbye. Share the video.
Nigeria. This is what the government is giving the children. And they are shouting now that they are giving puppies food. See a 50 naira bread that is being cut into 4 pieces. For 4 puppies. 1 each. And the funniest thing, this bread that you are looking at, the food seller will go to the school board to go and collect bread. While she will prepare the stew. And she will bring the bread and cut into 4 for each pupils. Now that is the bread. Now let's look at the soup that they are putting onto it. They cannot even prepare the egg or to talk of stew, fish stew. See what they are preparing. Madam, open it, let me see. That is the soup that they are preparing. Can you see? So, madam, put example of what you are going to put to puppies there. Let me see the way you are going to serve it. Okay, can you see? Is this enough to feed a child for a day? And the government will be shouting that they are giving puppies food. Nigerians, it is time for you to raise this out. Let's join hands together to make this country great. This should not be. This is a poison to our children. It's better for them not to give than to be serving this kind of food. Nigeria, let's shout it out. Thank you all.